Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Anil, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In this video, we will explore how to schedule a test shoot in the automated test framework and understand how tests are structured and executed to validate functionality. In ATF, schedules allow test shoots to be executed automatically at defined times. For example, daily, weekly, or monthly. This is particularly useful for organizations that want to validate platform functionality regularly. Example, overnight regression test. In the previous video, we saw how to create a test shoot. In the test shoot, we used a real-time scenario. In an IT company, whenever a user creates an incident, the system should save the record correctly, automatically generate an incident number. To validate this functionality, we schedule a test shoot. Let's begin. First, navigate to Automated Test Framework. Click on Schedules. Click on New to create a schedule. Give the schedule a name, Daily Schedule. Keep the run frequency set to daily. Next, set the time. Choose a time that's above 15 minutes ahead of your current local time using the 24-hour clock time. For example, if your current time is 16 p.m., set the time to 16:15 p.m. This means the schedule will run automatically every day at this time. Once everything is set, click Save. Now let's add test shoots to this schedule. Scroll down to the schedule shoots in related list and click on New. Set the execution order to 100. Select the test shoot as demo shoot. Then click the Save. Now let's run the schedule. Go back to the schedules and open daily schedule you just created. If it is not already open, you now have two options. You can wait for the schedule to run automatically at the defined time or click execute now to run the schedule test shoots immediately. After the execution completes, review the results of the schedule shoots to confirm that the test ran successfully and checks for any failures. And that is how you create, configure, and run a daily schedule in ServiceNow ATF. That brings us to the end of our video on how to schedule a test shoot in the ServiceNow ATF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.